Hello and welcome to Oluwatunseyi channel. I'm delighted to have you here again for another episode of Smoothies and Juices. And if you're here for the first time, you're highly welcome. Stay back, watch to the end, kindly subscribe and click the notification bell to get notified each time I post a video. In today's video, we are going to make papaya smoothie. That is purple smoothie with these ingredients. Half of this papaya will be used, then 2 apples, ginger, a 1/4 cup of powdered milk, measuring cup to measure 1 cup of water, measuring spoons to measure the cinnamon, and honey. Set all these apart and let's dive into the preparation. Firstly, wash your hands. Wash the fruits, the papaya, the apples, and everything you're going to use. Make sure they are properly washed. So after washing the papaya, you cut into 2 halves and peel. We will need 1 half of it for this recipe. This will be done off camera. This is what we have after peeling. Can you see this? Try and slice into cubes or squares and the seed. We are going to measure the sliced papaya. I need 4 cups. At this point, the papaya cubes will be slippery on your hands, so you can just look for something to pack them. Let's talk about some of the health benefits of papaya. Papayas are rich in antioxidants. They contain vitamins A, C, and E. They reduce the risk of having heart diseases. They aid digestion. They also boost immunity. That's the 4th cup. So you can just snack on the rest. We'll also cut our washed apples in small sizes. Don't forget to remove the core. Apples are rich in fiber. They contain vitamin C, vitamin K. They also help in boosting brain health. As I said, make sure you remove the core of the apple. For the ginger, only 2 small round slices will be okay for this recipe. Chop them finely. Get your blender and put everything you have sliced gradually into the blender cup. Add the milk, that's a 1/4 cup of milk. Then a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 cup of water. Blend until smooth. Check if it's smooth enough. Our papaya smoothie is ready to be served. If you enjoy this video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and please share to friends. And if you have not subscribed, kindly click the button and then the notification bell so you can get more healthy videos from me. That will be all for now. Till I see you in my next video, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.